This is Jesse Dean with Jesse Dean Designs, and we're going over the Puckit Platter support. It is a rigid polymer made to add rigidity to your factory PT01Scratch or PT01 Platter. First thing is you want to remove the E-clip off the platter. We normally turn it toward us, so when you do remove it, it doesn't go flinging away from you. Once you have that done, go ahead and pick up your portable, move to the side and start spinning the platter so it slides off the spindle. Now go ahead and move the turntable away, and we're going to go ahead and take the Puckit. Now there is a logo. It says face down on it. That face down text will go down inside the platter, so it'll be facing down. Press it down, you'll hear squeaks and other types of plastic noises, but that means it's seating because it is a press fit. Now once it's pressed into place, it will add a significant amount of rigidity to your factory platter. Now you can go ahead and remove this and actually make it even more rigid and more permanent. You can use super glue or CA glue around the outside edge of the Puckit. Let's go ahead and put just light beads all the way around the outside edges. The large holes in the middle for bigger fingers makes it easier to apply. So once you do, put a quarter turn or so into there and then press it all the way down and then let the glue set for proper cure time. Once the glue is cured, or you decided to go ahead and just do a press fit, go ahead and put the belt around the inside ring and then clip it onto one of the small nipples on the outside edge of the platter. This is to hold your belt in place while you place it back onto the turntable. Now put the pulley of the motor inside that V of the belt that is now pushing out, and then go ahead and turn the platter until it clicks and pops the belt on. Now go ahead and put your E-clip back on with a pair of small pliers, and you are now ready to go. Thank you for watching.